Get away there!
They didn't look now, sir, but old Sausage and Sauerkraut is waving at us.
He is he? We'll ignore him. I've no intention of hobnobbing with Jerry.
Get out
If that Hun does that once again, do you know what I'm going to do?
What, sir?
Ram him. Ram him right up the...
Carpet pass, sir.
Willie, don't do anything stupid.
You are the worst driver I am ever following. You are not only taking the wrong roads, but you are turning and skittling without making the proper signals. I am having the good mind to kick you in the strudelpuss.
Just you try. I said, just you try. What is a strudelpuss, Barrington?
Like. Good. Oh, we can continue now.
I think it's pretty clear whose side the Lord's on, Barrington.
England, sir?
Naturally.
Hurry.
Oh, I say, I think we're mucking up their game, sir.
Serves them right. They should be playing something decent like cricket.
All right, sir. I think we hit one of their chaps, sir.
On the contrary, he hit us.
Oh, yes.
What on earth is the bobsleigh doing on the road?
I suppose the same as us, sir, en route to Malmo.
If these bobsleigh wallers don't stop dawdling, we'll never make the checkpoint.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Better pinpoint our exact position, Barrington. A good soldier always knows exactly where he is.
Certainly, sir. 04, coordinate 302. Soon be in Malmo, sir.
I think you've made a slight miscalculation, Barrington.
I don't think so, sir. Sir!
I say, steady on, huh?
If they don't find our cigarettes or our scotch.
Don't fuss so, Barrington. They'll never search us. Any fool can see we're British.
Huh. I think they're going to cop it, sir.
Let them pass. Logbook, sir, if you please.
We're running a bit slow, so if you just stamp the old logbook, we'll be away. Yes, these. These are purely for our personal consumption. I'm a very heavy smoker, and Barrington here is a very, very heavy drinker.
Steady, sir.
For his size, that is.
You will both come with me. Strip the car. I will strip these men.
Strip us? Naked?
That is what I said.
The only persons permitted to see me in the pink are Mrs. Dawlish, that's the Mem Sahib, Richie Veeraswamy, that's my Batman, and Major E.J. Crosswaite Ponsonby, and that's my doctor. Request refused, and that's that.
Bring them inside.
Get off.
Get your hands off me!
Disgraceful, get off.
Excuse me, miss. You are still having my doctor.
Oh, yes, sir, of course. There we are.
Thank you.
All right. As far as I'm concerned, it is definitely the end of the Entente Cordiale.
Good night, sir.
Perkins, there's a stranger in the bed.
Huh?
You've got my... Come on, guys, I'm a fall to the stars. That's him, put his moustache off, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Can't someone find the main switch? Right, Barrington, blowtorch. Thank you.
Stand back, stand back. Now, if the Dawlish snow melter doesn't see us through to Monte Carlo, my name's Rudolph Valentino.
This must be a very proud moment for you, sir.
It is indeed. I think I can safely say I'm on my way to my first million.
Oh, whiff, sir, how absolutely ripping. That cowcatcher's melting the snow, sir. Why don't we follow it?
Good idea. You know, Perkins, I think that some of my genius is beginning to rub off on you. Come on, Perkins.
I think this is one of your best inventions, sir.
They're all good, Barrington. I think on the Mark II, I'll have to do something about the smell.
Hoping you'd say something like that, sir.
Can't stand it any longer. I'll take the high road while they take the low road.
Shame. It's broken, sir.
Rotten civilian workmanship. Should have had it made by the army.
Well, bang goes your million, eh, sir?
Never mind, Barrington. We can do without it. We may have lost the Dawlish snow melter, but we haven't lost the rally.
Well said, sir. You mean to say we're going to change to the Dawlish Super Snow Tractor?
Exactly. A good soldier always has something in reserve.
Exactly. That's what I always say, sir.
What you always say, Barrington?
What if it was you said, sir?
Oh, that. Yes. Yes, good thinking.